the EcoBoost Miata project. About to bolt the T5 up, and we got to get the hydraulics set up for it. So get it up on the lift and see what we're working with. Still on that little stock diff. DIY Philistines. Alright, they got a little T5 in here with this weird tilting thing, and
Looks like it's going on. Is it hitting the outside of the fingers right here? So I gotta get in there and adjust it and see if I can get it to work right. But that's where we're at on the whole transmission deal. Well, I got this clutch out. The pilot's definitely worn out or taken out. It doesn't look like the input was touching it very well to begin with, as you can see there. So it looks like I'm going to have to find some random bushing and make that work. So I'm about to look around and see what we have. Okay, so I made a pilot bushing and just kind of wallowed it out to fit. The problem is there's a chamfer on the edge of that crank, and that's why it's wallowing out. Here's the original one. You can kind of see that it flowered out. Crack. So the pilot's only touching about that far in, and it's just kind of wearing on it, and it's flowering out and becoming unsupported. But that's about the best I can do right now. So I'm gonna change this rear main out, and hopefully this lasts another 4 years.
yeah, I'd say that would probably cause a leak when you put a rear main in like that, and like half of it's folded the other way. But oh, you see it that way. It's got a new one in now, installed with the tool. Alright, well, it's in. Time to lead the clutch out and hope that that slave is in the right position. So hopefully the next clip is it running and driving the way it's supposed to be. Alright, let's start the race car. Whoop! Well, that's anticlimactic. I don't have any gauges. Got a 1 gallon tank. Maybe 2 gallons. Sounds ridiculous.
You know what road I was gonna say you can hit it on? The road right next to here, that back road. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then spin around before the end.
Yeah. Not grinding, that's a good thing.
Was it grinding bad?
They said it was. Yeah, let's get down that road real quick. That feels good. Something, I think it's exhaust rattling. See if we can put a 3-point here. Let's test reverse out.
Did good. Did good.
Good? Yep, did good. Sure.
Did good.
This thing's fun.
Yeah, it is. This is obnoxious.
Yeah, it is. It's like a go-kart.
Besides the rattles.
Yeah, there's a lot of those. Can't do any burnouts. He's on a stock diff.
Is he?
Yeah, I don't know. He was like, I don't know how it's lasting. I don't know how it lasts either. Alright.
This is gonna be fucking fun around town.
I know. Oh, shit.
Because you can't pull this.
Sounds so funny. It's so loud. God, it's loud. Oh, that's great. Hell yeah, that was fun.
So I don't know if I've talked about where this car's from yet, but so this was built by iCar, Clemson, and I guess it was built by a student or some students. I'm not sure how, but it was built to develop a Honda rally car, which they already did, and it's on display at GSP. So I don't really know how they used this EcoBoost Miata to do that, but they did. So that's the story behind it. And I figured while I was working on it, I might as well make a little video with my phone just to show you guys. And I don't know how good the quality is going to be on it. I'll have to disconnect the battery. See, it's got a little, like, man, I don't know, it might be 2 or 3 gallons fuel cell. But yeah, I just want to make a little video on it. I thought that was pretty cool. So you can see the EcoBoost swap Miata. So this came out of a Ford Focus ST, and they made QuickTime made a bell housing for it, but made no supporting parts to go with it as far as pilot or throw out and all that. So it's kind of been a hodgepodge of parts mixed together to random stuff trying to make it work. But yeah, that's the EcoBoost Miata. And like always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Later, y'all.